Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My closet is another planet. It's another world, okay? It is the beginning of the year. It's officially 2020. Happy New Year, by the way. And I need to clean out my closet. I need to just do a fresh cleanse of cleaning everything out so that I can bring more things in. I am just a lazy bitch. I'm lazy and I don't feel like doing things like this as well as things like laundry, okay? I'm terrible at it, not even gonna lie. I need to donate clothes, I need to sell clothes on my Depop, so don't forget to check out the links down below. They'll be in the description box. It's bad. It's not good. So. Okay, girls and boys, this is what happens when you are lazy and you just don't do things that you're supposed to do. Clearly, this is unacceptable and clearly something needs to be done. So this is the before shot of my catastrophic closet.
There must be something about the features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah.
I feel like there's so many little things I thought I forgot I had. Like, look how cute this little purse is that I got from the thrift store.
What's on the show? What's under the subtle smile? We'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand.
Finished the bottom of it, so that's great. There's no more big bags and big containers that are blocking the way. I need to vacuum this area and get it a little bit more clean, but I finally finished the bottom of it, so that's great. There's no more big bags and big containers that are blocking the way. I am just going to clear out all the clothes in here because no one is safe, okay? No one. Hello, welcome to day 2 of my extreme closet clean out video. I'm in my closet right now, if you didn't know. All right, today I'm gonna tackle everything up here. Let's get going.
I broke a few hearts or two, a couple too many times. I let good things go up in flames, they blow up like dynamite. If I'm being honest, no, I got a problem. No one made me wanna change. Then there was you, it feels so new. I just wanna get this right. No, I'm not a role model. Nothing ever seems to last. Baby, now that I got it, I'll be better with...
Okay, hello, and welcome to day 3. This is the pile that I plan on selling on Depop, and it's a lot. It's a whole pile, and then a whole bunch of bins that you cannot see. That's out of frame. I have to go through these clothes and even decide which ones I feel are Depop worthy. And I feel like that will kind of narrow it down a little bit because right now it's just, there's too many things, okay? It's just too much for me.
I'll be better with you. Now that I got it.
Okay, so guys, I'm done with the containers. I got all the clothes that I didn't want out, and now all of these clothes on the couch right now are what I'm going to sell on Depop. All of these clothes in here, So, time to get going.
Can out myself. I like myself way more when you're by my side. Just stay the night. It's been a while. You're not like those other guys. If I'm being honest, you're all that I wanted, 'cause you make me wanna change. I broke.
Hi, okay, so the lighting's all wonky and I'm sorry about that, but I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I know it was really short. Honestly, I didn't think it was going to be this short, but it turns out it's short. But I just want to get this video up because I want a fresh start and I wanted you guys to join me on that fresh start and know that I actually cleaned up my closet. So don't forget to check out my Depop. The links will be in the description box if you are interested in any of the items. I'm going to be adding items every week from here on out. So if you don't like the items that are on there this week, there will be another one next week that you possibly may like. So definitely go follow my Depop. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you guys for sticking around. Happy New Year's, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.